Welcome back to the third instalment of this build, or restoration, or whatever you want to call it. Saving this Vauxhall Vivaro from the scrapyard. So far, we've changed the drop links, track rod ends, new wheels and tyres, put the arches on. The van has been for its MOT, but unfortunately it failed. So today, we're going to sort them problems out. The only thing it failed on was the handbrake, which surprisingly, for a van with 190,000 miles on. I had a quick look yesterday. The calipers are seized. I tried to loosen them off. I got them loosened off a bit, still sticking. So I've gone out and I bought a brand new set of calipers, one for each side. And I've also bought a new set of discs and a new set of pads. I'm changing them, I might as well change them all. The handbrake cable was changed from the handbrake itself right back, and the two back cables, so I know they're all right. They were changed just before it went off the road. So now I'm going to get these wheels off, strip these calipers off, discs and pads, and then once that's done, I'm going to change the brake fluid and re-bleed the brakes. And then tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, I'm going to take it for its retest. And then fingers crossed, that'll be it, and it'll be back on the road. Right, so here we have all the parts. Here we've got some new brake fluid, new discs, new pads, and the new calipers. It's going dark now, so I'm going to crack on and let's get these changed. Probably have to get my head torch out later because I need this done today, so looks like I'm going to be working in the dark. Right, so as you can see, it is now pitch black, and I've already come across a problem. I've just done the other side so I could see how to do it before I filmed it, and I haven't got the right size socket to take the discs off, because it's a full disc with the ABS sensor, ABS rings, all that on, bearing on, and the biggest socket I've got in my socket set is a 32, and I think it's a 34, so I'm going to have to get one of them, but the discs are okay. Discs and pads, they won't have failed, it was the handbrake, so it's the calipers. So what I'm going to do, like I've done on the other side, is put the caliper on and the new pads, and then I'm going to see if I've got one at work, and then come back to it at a later date, because I really need to get, I've got obviously 10 days to get the MOT redone. I've been waiting for the parts to come, which is now 7 days tomorrow. So if I don't do it now and get it in, I'm going to miss the 10-day. So I'm going to take it tomorrow, and hopefully it'll pass. If it doesn't, I've still got a bit of time to try and get the handbrake working better. But on the other side, it seems to be doing the job, so I'm going to change the caliper on this side. I'll stick that over there out of the way, that's coming off anyway. Take the pads out. See, it's still, I don't know if you can see that, there's still plenty in there, but we've changed them anyway. That's it. Clamp the pipe so when I release it, it doesn't come out. No, I'm using a pair of more grips because I haven't got anything better. Clamp that part there. And what I'm going to do is put it back on. Caliper back on. So that's that one. Take this back off. Now push these clips off the handbrake cable. First we need to get the handbrake cable loose. Now I did the other side, put the screwdriver in there, this side should come off alright, because this side wasn't actually, this was actually working okay on the MOT, but changing one side, might as well change them both. Right, so that's out of there, and then did some little one in, and two in. I don't know if anyone says this is not the proper way of doing it. I do apologise. I'm no mechanic. I'm actually a lorry driver. If you didn't know that, now you do. There we go. That's one out, and then we'll just tool that way, undo this, get the old caliper off. There we go. There you have. Turn the light off so you can see with this one caliper. We'll put the new brake pad there. Now we're getting somewhere. If you're still watching now at this point, thank you very much. I've not bored you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and all that jazz. Right, that's one. That's that done. So now we just need to put the handbrake cable back into there. Oh. I tell you what, I do not miss messing with cars at night time. Can't wait till summer. There we go. That's the cable back in, so that now should work. We just need to bleed it up, pump it up, and then we should be there. For bleeding up, because I'm on my own, I've borrowed the Easy Bleed kit. How this works is you fill this up here with new brake fluid, fasten it onto the reservoir, and then put this onto the tyre, and that forces the air through. Then all I've got to do is open up the bleed nipple at the other end. Once all the air stops coming out, tighten it up, disconnect that, off we go. So we'll just get it set up. I did forget to mention that I emptied the old brake fluid. It's got reservoir out. The majority of the old fluid, so most of it now is new fluid. So I've got a pipe on the end of here into a little milk bottle, because I don't have a proper brake bleeding kit. So spanners on, pipes on, I'll get the air going at that side, and then we'll start bleeding up here. Right then, let's bleed this side. I'll undo the nipple, and then I don't think you'll be able to see this bit, but There we go. Here comes the brake fluid. And that's coming through just about. Nice. No air coming out of there. Yeah, all good. Yep, that's nice and solid. Sorry. Put the cap back on. Now we'll see if it works. Right, so now, I don't know if you can see, brakes are on, they're solid. I'm going to adjust them now, turn it off, turn it on. On. There we go. That's the calipers done. Oh, can't see it. Yes, so there we go. That's the calipers done. The handbrake's really high, so what I'm going to do now, get the wheel back on, and then I'm going to adjust the handbrake. Right then, so here we are under my van. So what I'm going to do now is, I don't know if you can see this. Here, the adjuster for the handbrake, and as you can see, it looks like it's come loose, so I'm going to pull that, tighten this up, and hopefully that should sort it. I could do with a ratchet spanner, but I haven't got a 13mm. Why has that come so loose? Surely there should be a locking nut on it. Anyway. So we'll try that. Now, try the handbrake, see what it's like. Right then, let's see what this is like now. Oh yes, that's a lot better. Just before it comes wrapped up. Wheel check. Right, so hopefully that's my job here done tonight. I'm going to get everything packed away and we'll take it for the MOT in the morning, and I'll get back to you with the results. It's a bit dark now, I do apologise, but the results are in. 1 year's MOT with no advisories. Result. Wasn't expecting to get no advisories, I was expecting to have a bit more work to do. We've still got them brake discs to change on the back. Want to get rid of the light bar off the roof and the lights on the back, but yeah, on the next video we'll get them discs changed and we'll get a really good clean, because it's overdue one. And the reason why I've not done it is because I wanted to get the MOT done first, and when I show you in the next video the outside of the van, bear in mind I've only taken it down to work for 2 days, because the MOT centre is near my work, so I drop it off while I'm at work and pick it back up. So obviously I go down there in the morning and pick it up, leave it down there. You'll see the state of the van and we'll know why I've not cleaned it until now. So anyway, thank you for joining me on this little project. I hope you stick around and see where else I can take this van. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you on the next one.